Are you in love with a guy who already has a girlfriend? Maybe you are constantly attracted to men who are unavailable. Are you not ready to let a great guy like this pass you by simply because he has a girl? This too is impressively sneaky and powerful, and it could help you on your quest to steal a man from his relationship. It only needs a handful of your dream man's most basic personal details. With this information to hand, it is able to generate a report of his recent communications. Well, in today's video, we will be showing you how to make him choose you over another woman. Without further ado, let's begin. 1. Don't rush it. It's not like you want to acquire a property or purchase a snack from a convenience store. It's a matter that involves the heart, so you need to be patient. When you consider the ways to make a guy leave his girlfriend, please don't be impulsive. Things like going up to him and telling him how you feel may ruin your chances even before you get to know him. 2. Look good. In fact, look stunning. If you were going to have a chance at getting him to fall in love with you, you should at least make an effort to look extra pretty. Try not to overdo anything. No one needs to know that you're coming on to this guy. Keep things sexy but subtle. If you will adopt a new hairstyle or dress code, make sure it's a routine you can easily keep up. You don't want to start what you can't maintain once you get into his life. There's no point in showing him what you can't keep giving him after you may have successfully won him over. 3. Avoid copying her style. When it comes to making a guy leave his girlfriend, do not copy his girl. The idea is to show him something new or something that's probably missing in his relationship. Because he's dating her doesn't mean he likes everything about her. You'd be surprised people dislike some tiny details about their partners even though they are in a serious relationship. You might just be copying a style he overlooks because he loves her. So, uniquely do your own thing. 4. Know your enemy. Okay, I don't mean enemy in an evil way, but she's technically the obstacle between you and him. You want to get a sneak peek into her life, so try to know about his girlfriend. This tip isn't about digging up dirt to use against her. It's about understanding the areas she's good at and, of course, her weak areas, which you can use to an advantage to be the missing piece in his puzzle. Knowing the things she does that he doesn't like will also help you to avoid them. 5. Initiate eye contact. It's time to be bold. I know it can be a little difficult looking into his eyes yet, hiding your feelings. But it's one of the ways you're going to get his attention. You have to be skillful at playing with eye contact. While you want to avoid staring at him, steal looks that are just long enough for him to notice and short enough not to spook him. The whole idea is to tease him without throwing yourself out entirely so that he keeps wondering about you. Unfortunately, this is one of the most frequent complaints we get from our readers, where they feel they aren't a priority for their boyfriend or husband. They always seem to have some excuse as to why they can't spend some quality time with you like they used to. Due to popular demand, our friends prepared a quick video, click to watch, that'll show you to one easy but often overlooked thing that you can say to him today that'll help him realize how lucky he is to have you. Hint, it's something that taps into how men are wired. 6. Ignore him somewhat. While you give him attention, you also don't want to appear desperate. As you make eye contact on some days, completely ignore him on other days. This way, he'll become more curious about you. Look at it as being mysterious, and trust me, guys love a little mystery. As you alternate ignoring and making eye contact, he'll be looking forward to the attention he's getting from you. 7. Get close to his friends. If you are not friends and don't know how to get close to him without spooking the girlfriend, it's time to get close to his buddies. This way, you'll successfully infiltrate his space without looking desperate or making his girlfriend feel uncomfortable. Once you're friends with his buddies, create a good impression, so they'll be the ones to transmit the good news about you. 8. Be friends with him. Since he's already dating someone else, one of the best cards you have to play is becoming his friend. Establishing a platonic relationship with him will not only bring you to a close, but it will also give you express entry into his life. Plus, you'll also get more opportunities to flirt. A little heads up though, avoid crashing into the friend zone. Make sure the friendship always has a subtle "I'm not into you" hint so that you can keep the possibility of being in a relationship with the guy open. 9. Create scenarios where you need help. Men are naturally obsessed with showing off and being protective. It's an intrinsic part of them to see women as fragile and damsels in distress. Once you can make him feel he's the Prince Charming swooping in to rescue you, he'll offer more kind gestures, which will bring you guys closer. However, do not overdo it, as he might get used to seeing you as someone to be pitied, like a puppy that needs care rather than a woman who needs passionate attention. 10. Make him comfortable around you. Without showing your true intentions, appreciate him when he's around. Remind him how kind he was for helping you previously, and tell him it's great to have someone like him around. Furthermore, appreciate him whenever he does anything for you. It's one of the fastest ways to get him comfortable around you. 11. Resist the urge to speak ill of her. If he ever talks to you about his girlfriend, don't speak badly about her. I know it might be tempting, thinking it'll make him start to develop doubts about his relationship, and girl, trust me, it won't make him like you either, especially if they don't break up. He'll likely tell her all the nasty things you said. Remember, the strategy to make him leave her is to let him see what he's missing in her with you. 12. Find common grounds. Beyond just being friends with him, you might need to break into his world. He's got a girl. Why should he hang out with another girl? It could be football, video games, movies, music, politics, etc. Look for something he likes that'll make him look forward to a conversation with you. So guys, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.